Safe Mode MacBook helps you fix software and hardware issues caused by third-party apps. Here's my M2 MacBook Air. You can follow on any Apple Silicon M series MacBook Pro or Air. Turn on your Mac or connect your MacBook to a power source if it's off. Then, press and hold the power button until you see the continue holding for startup option. Then show loading startup options on the screen. Now, select the volume drive. Press the Shift key from keyboard. Continue option replace with Continue in Safe Mode. Click on it. Wait for a few seconds to show the Apple logo. And the login screen appears on the screen with the Safe Boot label at the top right corner. Log in with your Mac login password. You have to enter the login password twice, as in my test. To check your Mac in safe mode anytime, open System Information using Spotlight Search. Select Software from the left sidebar and check Boot Mode is safe. That means your MacBook is in safe mode. To exit from safe mode, restart your MacBook and log in normally. Or shut down your Mac. Your MacBook will automatically exit on the next startup. If you found something helpful and fixed it, don't miss to share it with everyone. Thumbs up for support and comment below for any questions.